Good afternoon, Bastien from BVN Real Estate. Here in San Juan Del Sur, we are near Playa Hermosa. And we are looking at a 2 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms house with a very nice design, nice color. The owner has been living but left the house for a few years, so he has to personalize the house a bit. But it missed just like few things to be ready to show. So sofa area, kitchen area, we have on this side the first bedroom. There is no ACs. The large French living room. Second bedroom is here. The master bedroom. It has access to the bathrooms, only 1 bathroom unfortunately. What's cool here, it's an open bathroom. So what's wanted the owner is be able to see the jungle once he is on the throne. It's a very funny shower that is installed. So the water comes from a well just on the bottom. It's pumped into a 2,500 liters tank, which is on the tower on the back. And then there is solar with a 3,000 kilowatt per hour capacity, with 3 solar panels and 3 batteries. So I'm facing here north. We have the jungle. There is a ravine 60-70 meters from us, so no one will be able to build ever what we are looking now. Here I'm on the terrace, so it needs to have like a ceramic or cover in wood to be a bit nicer. But it's very large, it's deep, it will be fresh because we are north exposition. So we have our tower for water tank here up, showing it to you with our tank over there and pictures of the solar. So here it's a rocote tree. Here it's a neem trees and we are surrounded by neem trees. Has some coconuts but they are young. Small mangoes, and there is about 20 citrus, so lime, orange trees on the back. Parking lot over there, area for moto or small cars to have a cover access. And what's good, you have here a workshop of about 1,000 square feet, a bit more, with like a gate, and you have an extra room that we can store equipment. So here it could be a good place to transform to have like retreats, activity, receive, also rooms. Why not making an hostel? So it was like a place dedicated to grow pigs, not to kill them. So some small box could be closed and transformed in bedrooms easy. So it's a 3/4 acre lot. We are near Playa Hermosa, 500 meters from the entrance gate of Playa Hermosa. So we have like 2 bedrooms house, 1 large workshop, 3/4 acre, a well, tower with a tank of 2,500 liters. We have also an access to internet through an internet tower, not in our lot, but next to our lot. And solar with a 3,000 kilowatt hour capacity. So 3 solar panels and 3 batteries.